Guys, I am at the hairdresser about to do my hair. I saw me come at the people in town. So see you again after this. Okay guys, so now I am fixed, laid and slayed. Hairdresser angle me, fix me up. My boyfriend liked me again. You don't have no comments? Whatever. But yes, I'm back in at the Gideon. Not the real Gideon though, but a semblance of it. Anyways guys, bye! Nasa kita.
Papi, pusa ba kaya ka?
No, kita kita the same one into one.
All of it, forget it.
No. Papi, look here. Look here. Look now.
I don't know what I'm saying. Come in, man.
Yeah, I get you. Come. No.
No, man. No.
Yeah, but Alpha.
Are we getting
Turn
people
around
up?
and cuss him. Turn around and cuss
Of course,
him.
man. You go down and make sure you're going about it.
Go ahead and come on. Stop.
Anybody can. That's bad. That's bad. Anybody can come out there.
This is the guy running out of the
Anybody can come out there. Yeah, and your foot to care about it. If nobody, if you can't care about it, yes, somebody. Eh. Oh yes.
Well, I was upgraded to what is no World Traveler or something like that. The person beside me was sick in economy, so they needed me to move, so I was upgraded to up at the front part of the but not the front, but like close to the front. But it behind the veil, but it behind the curtain, you understand? Hope that it's nice. So we got this pouch, and here you can see me trying to open this pouch. Has them sealed up with something. So it had in a toothbrush, an eye mask, a lip balm, and a pen. Because I know the long haul flight, 9 hours and 45 minutes, the mouth I get funky, I go want to sleep, your mouth I get dry, all of the things. So they provided these things for us up front. So we can't go run a back again, because they don't give you these things run a back. Anyways, I'm just going through the bag, seeing what's in there and showing you guys. Alright, so you can see my island grill on the side. Yes, I bought it because I don't really like the airplane food, and I canceled them for 9 hours. I did for hungry. So I got my island grill, brought it with me. It's in my bag on the floor there, so that I could eat. If you look at the top now, you can see this lady coming with a towel and them something. Them I say, what? All menu me get. Them not do them something around the back, you know. But I appreciated it so much, and I'm not going back around the back. I hope you're some fly now. Oh gosh, but yeah, this is me preparing my table to receive my meal. I never really eat it, hence the island grill, but I had the brownie that was on the plate, as you can see down at the bottom there. So at first I go up and plate and get glass plate and them something, you know, because around our back you not get glass and the plastic something. But I enjoyed this little experience, frightened like a Friday. But yeah, I didn't eat much of the pasta something because it had been some olive things and I never love it. But all in all, I enjoyed my experience up there, and we're gonna move on. Howdy y'all, it's been a while. I'm in Farin. I'm in Farin, everybody. Big up my mother. Big up my baby father. Come on, Charlene. Pick up your baby father. Sending greetings across the world. I'm so tired. Okay, so I'm in Farin. Mama made it! And Charlene is running down the furlong and I can't keep up. I don't have no husband and no child. Everybody left me. Oh my god. Here's Charlene though. Good day. Good day, good day. Yeah, good day.
If you don't
Oh my god. People, I'm so unfit. It's not even legal. And she keeps running down these roads. I'm tired. So the last time you saw me, I was seated on a plane. And it's been a month. It's been a month since then. I got these earrings, by the way. This cute little lady. I got it from Jada Baila, Adrian. I don't know if she still make them, but me have them. I'm going to the shop because I haven't been outside much. And as you can see, I'm very unfit because I'm breathing so hard. And we haven't even walked that far. I didn't notice that the last time we came. Was it there? Didn't see it. But yeah, last time you saw me, my hair was just done. This is a month later, and this is what it's saying. She says still look fresh. I think so too. It looked like it just arrived. But what was I saying? Yeah, I'm going to the shop to probably get a jacket because as you can see, it's very overcast and it's kind of chilly. Kind of chilly if you're a Jamaica girl. If you're a Caribbean girl,
warm.
It's kind of chilly. So I need to get me a jacket. And yeah, any other little things we see into the shop that my cousin want to buy for me. Wow. No, sir. This money can't answer. God. Whew. Child. I need some water. I feel like when SpongeBob went into Sandy's dome and he was like, water. That's how I feel. Oh gosh. 10. This is not 10 steps, my G. Oh my god. Is there a park back there? Is there a park back there? The pathway looks like it's going to a park. I haven't seen any parks down here. What kind of madness is this? Yeah. No, sir. Then, how many people? Oh, God. Okay. Okay, guys, so when I get to the store, I'll show you what I buy. If I buy anything. Check out Goody Bunny one more time. Yeah, Goody. I'm wearing a dress, a polka dot dress. I've never worn this much green in my life. But I'm a Greenland now. So apparently I have to represent for the Greenlands, you understand? So soon when we reach the shop, if I get anything, Alright, so here. Guys, the coat didn't work out. They didn't have any. So we're out again. Going to a different shop to get something else. I don't know if I'll be able to get a coat today then. Because shops around here are far and few between. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. Because I'm standing out here in traffic. Trying to cross the road. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna get the jacket today, guys. It doesn't look like it. Isn't there like a shopping area up this side? What kind of country?
No, it's the village.
Yeah, guys, I don't think I'm gonna get the jacket today. So I got this from my mom when I was pregnant. I bought this in Primark. I got this from my mom out of her closet. I got this from Charlene. These, me telling them to get them already. Here by, well, my ear just on you again. My ear just on you. People, oh, tell me something. I'm not gonna tell me say I saw ear expensive. I'm not gonna tell me say I saw at girl lifestyle expensive. You know how much it is? This was $10,000 for 4 packs. 4 pack, you know? 4 pack for 10 grand. I couldn't believe it. I could have given up Mr. Chin. And my ear just on him again. My hairdresser is called Chrissy. Chrissy in Crossroad, Kingston. Go and get your hair done at 1 month now and you see it's still fresh. Go and get your hair done. Okay, man, them didn't get the jacket. I got snacks, so a win is a win is a win. I'll try again another day to see if I can get it. Yep, so I guess that's the end because I'm back home. I didn't go anywhere else, and I would have been too tired anyway because my legs hurt, and that is indeed that. Okay, see you guys in probably another video or something. Bye.